Once again, Mr. Chairman, considering that all issues have been joined with regards to the privilege speech number 379 and the motu proprio inquiry on the manifestation of Rep. Jervil Jinky Beatriz listed during the budget hearing, Department of Education, in the Committee on Appropriation on September 2, 2024, I move to terminate the deliberation on the said privilege speech and motu proprio inquiry. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to terminate the budget utilization of OBP and DepEd with respect to the privilege speech number 379 delivered by Representative Rolando Valeriano on September 3, 2024, and the motu proprio inquiry on the manifestation of Representative Jinky Luistro during the budget hearing of the DepEd in the Committee on Appropriation on September 2, 2024, concerning the agency's failure to deliver computer units in good condition to end users and other issues plaguing the agency's budget utilization. Is there second to the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Crispin Romulia. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.